Alright guys, I'm here with another Dakota update video for you. I know I haven't posted about it in a while, but we did some things here that I need to show you. So as I showed before, all this insulation here had been chewed by the squirrel or whatever, along with this fuel line. Maybe that was a rodent, maybe not. We don't know. This is the anti-squirrel stuff now. So the thing the squirrel or rodent or whatever did, it chewed a whole mess of wires here, here, over here, and in here. So I had to go through and basically repair all these wires. So like the I think this is the map sensor, the manifold absolute pressure sensor is right here, and they had chewed all three wires going to it clean through. So we're getting a map sensor code, and first, you know, just before looking, we thought the sensor, of course, had gone bad, but then I looked at it and I was like, wait a minute, all these wires are chewed up. That's a problem. So one day, like a month ago, I just came out and I got a bunch of these connectors with the heat shrink on them, this braided wiring jacket stuff, and did a whole mess of wire repairs to the map sensor, I think this is the engine air temperature sensor, what else, to these fuel injectors, ignition coil, the brake fluid sensor, and then I did some minor repairs to these wires for the ABS. It got this one too, but this connector is not connected to anything, so I'm choosing not to worry about it at the moment. And then this one over here for the windshield wiper motor, got that one too. So, oh, and all these two for the, like the idle air control valve, the TPS, and the, I don't know, whatever that one is. But it got those ones too. So I had to repair all those too. But I ended up getting them all repaired. And everything's working now. Again, at least mechanically and electrically. So that's good. And I was able to get all that back in working order. And then today, actually, we had to get the windshield replaced because there was a crack started here and it worked its way all the way down. And as you can see here, our safety inspection expired back in July, and we couldn't get it passed with that crack in the windshield. So due to just a bunch of various stuff, supply chain issues and a couple other things, we couldn't get it replaced until now. It's October. So we finally got that replaced. So now we'll be able to pass the Virginia safety inspection and get that sticker. And then also, I'll take you underneath. Let's see if I can remember where things are here. Well, so this is that natural vacuum leak detector that I made another video about a while ago. Oh, actually, it's right here, right up there, this guy. Some of the wires had been either damaged or chewed by another rodent, so we got our mechanic to fix those, so those aren't just wire nutted anymore. And let me see, let me go to the other side real quick. Alright, so now we're on the other side, and as you can see, we have a nice, fresh, new exhaust system installed. So at first, we only had the Y pipe replaced, which is that piece over there, but the whole exhaust system was in pretty bad shape, pretty rusted, so we just decided to go ahead and do a whole new one. The only thing that isn't new is the exhaust manifolds, and if those ever have to be replaced, I know it'll be a nightmare, so we're deferring maintenance on those for now. But the rest of it's new, so it should last probably at least as long as this truck remains in service. And who knows how long that'll be, but it should be long enough, because it's hard to get new or used vehicles right now, so we need a truck. I'm sure it'll do the job. But yeah, that's just the look at the exhaust system real quick. And I did a service on the rear and front differential a couple months ago. Just checked the fluid level and it was good. Seemed to be in good shape, so just opened the plug, made sure it was filled up to the top, and then closed it back up, and it's good. Now that I'm covered in grass. Oh, and I guess the other reason we had to get the emissions or the exhaust system replaced is that the registration expired in July, also expired in July of 2021. So where we live in Virginia, you have to get your emissions done in order to renew your registration. So with the bad exhaust and the check engine light that was on, we couldn't pass the emissions inspection, so we had to do this in order to be able to register the vehicle. So it is what it is. It's all fixed up now, and we just need to go get those inspections done hopefully this weekend, get all the paperwork in place, and then we'll be good to go again for at least another 2 years. Go ahead and start this up for you. You can see if we got any funny lights on. And nope, no funny lights. Got oil pressure, battery's good, got fuel. So yep, she still lives for now. So hopefully we'll get all that paperwork and inspections taken care of this weekend, and then I'll be able to start driving this thing again. It's been confined to the garage or out here for almost 3 months just because of all the expired inspections and whatnot. So yeah, that's just a quick little update on our 2003 Dodge Dakota. Back up and running with some wiring repair and exhaust system replacement. The wiring repair, all this stuff really wasn't that hard. It's just, time consuming, labor intensive. I had to remove the air box and, get some other stuff out of the way, but overall it was a pretty easy job. Just had to make sure I had the right supplies and everything. So there you go, guys. That's a quick update on our 2003 Dodge Dakota. Like and subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.